somehow I gotta give and praise it because my life is 10 shades of gray. I pray often fade away, still the praise of all the 70s. And life is
We're
promised to
entering
be
Karkar City.
the many chances I've lived to bring my life to an end. Clear blue and unconditional skies have dried the tears from my eyes. No
Yes,
longer
Karkar.
my only bleeding hope is for the whole cooking cold
Okay.
protection, endurance, faith that it keeps it in the pouring rain. Who's so faithful to your gain and to your own fame? What a shame you shoot and aim for someone else's brain and claim the insane and ain't mistaken time for falling prey to crime. I say the system got you victim to your own harm. Dreams are
Tingin
just
natin dito.
aspirations and hopes of coming true. Believe in
Tanong
yourself,
tayo
the
dito.
rest is up to me.
Kita mo kayo.
Madam, saan po yung Karkar Colleges? Ay, St. Catherine Colleges. Ah, oo. Mga ilang ways? Malayo pa? Tabi
pa.
siya ng ano? Tabi siya ng ano? Basta makikita lang namin sa road. At straight lang.
Oh, straight lang.
Ah, okay, thank you. Thank you. Okay. Straight lang.